So between 7 to 8 out of 10 Filipinos demanding that the impeachment trial should happen. No? So they want the Vice President to face the allegations in an impeachment trial. And that has been consistent from before. Last year, we also did the survey, the first impeachment proceedings against the Vice President. And there is always an overwhelming majority of Filipinos na gusto nila na matuloy ang impeachment trial because they want the Vice President to face the allegations against her. And this is, to note, very important, this is across classes, whether the poorest or the richest among us. This is also across different age groups, so young and old. But most importantly, across regions as well, no? So you'd also be surprised that even in Mindanao, 61%, so that's 6 in 10 Mindanaoans saying that they want the impeachment trial to proceed, no? So it's a different question whether they want the Vice President to be acquitted or convicted, but at this point, the public opinion is clear that they want the impeachment trial to proceed. Secondly po, aside from that, and I think alarmingly and related to what Congressman here is saying, is that we have an issue about the knowledge of our people sa evidence and on the process of the impeachment. No? About half, 50% po ng ating mga kababayan nagsasabi na kulang yung kanilang kaalaman tungkol sa ebidensya at aligasyon laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. So I think ito yung babantayan sa Senate Impeachment Court, whether yung public understanding ba ng evidence, public understanding ng mga allegations laban sa kanya, whether that will change. But right now, alarmingly, marami pong mga kababayan natin ang nagsasabi na hindi sapat yung kanilang kaalaman at impormasyon sa ebidensya kaugnay po ng impeachment. So,
Okay.
yun po muna.
So kung maraming kababayan natin, 50% ang kulang sa kaalaman, sa facts, hindi ho ba ibig sabihin nun napakalaki ng fertile ground for cultivation ng fake news?